Hello. I wanted to take a moment to go over some of the problems on the take home portion of the exam 3. One of the questions was on how to do the histogram for the data from StatCrunch. So remember, it was the soils data, and you had the direct seed and the stratified. And so, what you were supposed to do is find the histogram for these as well as the average of the differences. So to make the graph, first of all, you will go to graph in histogram, and you want to graph both direct and stratified. So you pick the two columns, and in this case we will just click compute, and here's the first graph. For this is for the direct, and then this is the graph for the stratified. And in terms of your screenshots, you could have done so. Take this one first, and then take a screenshot of that, and that's how you make the histogram for the data. The other portion of the take home asks you to find the average of the differences. Now be careful, because that doesn't mean do the average of direct and then the average of stratified and subtract it. What he wants you to do, remember in our chapter 7 notes, we constructed a new column of the differences. So you want to actually find the difference of each specimen first and then do the average of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to data, compute, expression. And here we're going to say build. And so I want to create direct, so double click on that, minus, and double click on stratified. Okay, and so that gives us the expression direct minus stratified and compute. So this is our column. So that's the difference in each individual soil specimen. And now we want to do the average. So go to stats, summary stats, columns, and now we want our new column, direct minus stratified. So if you pick that, and in this case we wanted the mean, and we also wanted the standard deviation. So make sure to select the two things that you want, compute, and here it is. So the mean should have been negative 2.4 and standard deviation 11.944. So some of you had 30 something here for the mean, which means that you found the mean of the entire column for direct and the mean of the entire column for stratified and then subtracted those. That's different than finding the average in each individual difference. So be careful about that. And that's how you find histogram and the mean of the differences.